Yo, what's good everyone? Today's video, we got them early. We're unboxing the Air Jordan 11 Low Legend Blues. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Like I said, we hit early, boys. This one is the Air Jordan 11 Low Legend Blue. Beautiful shoe. I've been so excited for this pair coming out this month. We got them in hand. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna break down this shoe for you guys. Of course, do a nice unboxing of the shoe. We'll go through the release. We'll go through how I copped them early. Also, just some details on the shoe. Of course, B-roll. You guys know we're throwing B-roll in there. And then towards the end of the video, actually, we're gonna go through resale predictions, and I'm gonna actually tell you guys how you can hit on this drop, because I got some secrets. I'm pretty sure you guys will be able to hit on this one. Just stick around to the end of the video. But for the shoe today, let's just unbox these bad boys. I'm so excited. Before I pull the shoe out, a little bit about this release. These are coming out this weekend, April 24th. We got men's sizing retailing at $185. Grade school is going to be at $140. We got preschool at $80, and then toddlers too at $60. Full family size run. Stock is pretty healthy, so it's looking like these are going to be a nice cop and also a cook. They're a shoe that have not come out for a while. The Air Jordan 11 Legend Blue, the OG one, came out first back in 1996. Michael Jordan actually wore them. Like, the only time he ever really wore them, it was in a 1996 NBA All-Star game. He brought them out. They're kind of originally called the Columbia colorway, and since then we haven't seen them come out too many times. We had the retro release in 2001. I was still a little baby, so I didn't get those. 2001 they happened. Then I think it was 2008 and 2014 is what I saw. 2014 was the last retro of the Legend Blue colorway, Columbia colorway. And so these ones are finally coming back out. It's been 7 years. We're not getting the OG mid-high top Air Jordan 11, but we are getting the Legend Blue lows. Such a fire shoe. I'm super excited for the shoe. This was one of the ones that I was wanting to hit on this month. We got these ones. Was one of them. One second. We got these ones too. And then we also have the 12 lows that came out. I got those as well. We have these 11 lows, and then we have the Air Jordan 4 University Blues. Tons of blue Jordans coming out this month, but this is one that I was very excited for. I love 11s. 11s are probably my favorite Jordan silhouette. 11s, 4s, 1s, my favorite personally, but I'm super excited to just take these out today. So taking these out, first look at these bad boys. Jordan 11 Legend Blues. I love that they came out in the low version as well. I assume in the future we will be seeing another retro of the OG classic ones, but to have a low top version come out, I'm very excited for these because not too many fire lows have come out, in my opinion. And for me, that I love 11s, I feel like there hasn't been too many like gas colorways to come out, but this was one I was excited off the jump right when I saw that these were coming out. I may be a little bit biased on these because 11s are my favorite model, but I don't think you can lie when you say these are fire. I love every detail on these. You got that nice classic patent leather on the Jordan 11s, the 23 insignia as well on the back. Even on the insole, it's got 25 on there, which is supposed to represent like Air Jordan 11's 25th anniversary. And just the details go crazy. Of course, the nice rubber outsole as well. Fire. Looking at the upper, we got that white leather build, the nylon mesh tongue, and the patent leather overlay. Like I said, so classic on this shoe. The midsole is that patent leather. It's glistening all along the mud guard. It's one of the most iconic parts of Jordan 11s, and it really makes this shoe stand out. The outsole is that Legend Blue and that icy clear rubber outsole. Definitely one of my favorite parts on the shoe. And specifically speaking on the outsole, actually just some details on there. The rubber outsole actually provides more grip than like a normal rubber outsole. And by rubber outsole, I mean like the clear rubber outsole that you can see on there. That's actually supposed to provide more grip for my hoopers out there. So anyone like MJ who hoops in 11s, they're gonna know that that does provide a bit more grip on there if you're trying to ball in these. And of course, details like I was talking about, the MJ number 23 on the back, and then as well as the icon and the 25 on the insoles for the anniversary. My favorite parts of the shoe have to be the Legend Blue hits all along the shoe. You have the little Jordan insignia on the back heel right there. Of course, the icy outsole, the inside as well. That pattern right there goes pretty tough on there. And then as well on The tongue, that nylon mesh tongue, you have just the classic Jordan insignia right there on the 11s. I think 11s can be slept on at times, and I don't think anyone's sleeping on these ones though. Another fire shoe to come out this month, and prices are gonna be a little low at first, but they're definitely gonna skyrocket. So as we look at prices right now on these, they're not going crazy. Like I said, as the release kind of comes in, people start getting pairs. People will brick this because it is an 11. As you can see now, prices are sitting about $250, $260, and basically all sizes across the board. But people that know 11s know that there's normally a lot of stock for them, but there's also a lot of demand, as we've seen with the Breads, the Concords, the Jubilees. We got these coming out now. There's always demand for them. And so even like on the Jubilee, let's even take a look so I can show you guys. The prices weren't that good around Christmas time, and right now the Jubilees are hitting above 300 in basically all sizes. You got 320, 340. So Jordan 11s are a hold. If anyone is trying to invest in this shoe, they're gonna be a hold. So my recommendation, early pairs that you get, I didn't sell these, but early pairs that you get, I would sell them and just reinvest that capital into the drop. And we all know 11s go up pretty quick, not too fast, but they do go up, and they're obviously gonna remake a retro someday, probably in the high version. And so they are gonna do pretty good. And they probably won't do as well as like a Jubilee or a Bread because they are a low. People don't favor lows as much on 11s, but I think this one is still gonna be a pretty solid hold into summer. My recommendation, any pairs you get in, I would definitely hold at least a month or two. Let prices kind of come up because stock is big on these and a lot of people will hit, but the demand is always there. So resale wise, they're gonna be a pretty good investment piece for this month. All right, now how can you guys cop the Air Jordan 11 Low Legend Blue? It's simple. Honestly, think of a website that you might know of. Foot Locker, DTLR, Champs, Nike Snkrs. They're gonna be getting these shoes. There's gonna be small boutiques around you that'll probably be getting these as well, but a lot of strong Nike flagship stores, things like that are definitely gonna be getting this shoe. It's gonna be wide stock, kind of like the Jubilees, how stock was pretty healthy, and this one's gonna go crazy, guys. So anyone who is a little concerned about how am I gonna cop, where am I gonna cop from, I'm gonna tell you guys what you can do. 3 tips from me on this drop. Number 1, guys, please enter your Foot Store in-store reservations. If you guys haven't already, get your accounts rolling with some points in there. Even just go buy some socks right now just to have some lifetime points in there. It does help, does allow you to do some head starts, which gives you extra entries into that. I know Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action's got it. I didn't see Finish Line. Don't count me on that one, but I'm pretty sure Finish Line didn't load these up, but I assume they should be getting stock, either a healthy amount online. And that's another thing I want to talk about. Number 2 is actually going to be some sites to cop from, and Finish Line could be a cook. My advice on Finish Line, I think they're going to have a good amount of stock, and so I would say with that is have it loaded up LTE on like your phone, or maybe you can hotspot like your laptop or something, just so you can be able to change if you get blocked. If you get blocked, you're just going to want to go airplane mode, switches it up. Not a big deal there, but honestly, my advice there is about 5 to 7 minutes before the hour on drop day. Just go in Finish Line and get in the queue and just wait it out there. Then moving on to number 3, Nike Snkrs. This is going to be a pretty big stock on sneakers. They're going to have a lot of these bad boys, and I feel like most people, if you want these, you should be able to get them for retail price. I wouldn't go out of my way paying resale right off the bat because stores will be getting them, and especially with the trend that's going on, stores will be getting pairs late. And so even though maybe your local store only has one size run now, it should go up. So again, with Nike Snkrs, just get on, enter a couple accounts if like your friend wants to enter for you, just things like that. Find people to enter because I feel like a lot of people should hit on these, and for good reason, because they're a beautiful shoe. I'm glad there's a lot of stock so we can all get this pair. And for this early unboxing, that's going to do it for the video today, guys. Again, you know what to do. It's YouTube. Leave a like, hit that subscribe button, guys. Comment down below if you're excited for these shoes like I am. Another fire white and blue shoe Jordan to add to the collection from this month. But again, that's going to do it for the video, and we'll see you guys next time.